Upon opening the shipping box, you will find a yellow ribbon. This ribbon is in place to help you remove the Gemini EVO from the shipping box. The main Gemini EVO box is rigid and features a resealable lid that was designed to be reused for transporting the device. When opening the laser box, you will first see the Gemini EVO user manual, which contains all the information for how to use, care for, and connect your laser. The easy-to-read instructions are clearly written and illustrated. Make sure to read it carefully and keep on hand for future reference. The Gemini EVO is also Wi-Fi enabled and has a companion app and desktop webpage where you can update the unit, record patient procedures, watch procedural videos, and much more. This card includes instructions on how to download and use the app and online dashboard. The laser warning sign is required to be displayed in the operating area to show the laser is in use. This sign is also included for download on the dashboard. Next are the boxes for the main laser and smaller accessories. Use the yellow ribbon for easy removal. Inside, there are 3 pairs of safety eyewear. While the laser is in use, doctors, system operators, supporting staff, patients, and anyone else in the operatory must wear the safety eyewear. These are designed specifically for use with the Gemini EVO 810 and 980 nanometer wavelengths. Next, you will find the operating foot pedal and its batteries. And finally, the laser unit. The laser hand piece is attached to the main unit and should come out with it. The hand piece is magnetic and can rest behind the display or on the round pad. Keep the red caps to protect and store the hand piece when it's not in use. It's important to not lift the laser unit by the electroluminescent display. Also, note the warning sticker telling you not to spray liquids or cleaners on the display. Upon opening the accessory box, you will see 3 inner boxes: the power supply, the 10 5mm tips, and the PBM adapters. First is the DC power supply and accompanying cables. These are labeled with a warning that it will only work with the Gemini EVO unit. Do not remove the label and do not use the cable for other products. Every Gemini EVO comes with 10 single-use 5mm tips, which are pre-initiated for reduced prep time. Beneath the tips and under a false bottom, you will find a tool to help you bend the tips to the appropriate angle. The last box contains the 3 PBM adapters. The 3mm intraoral, the 7mm intraoral, and the 25mm extraoral and its additional spacer tips. Keep the red caps to protect and store the adapters when not in use. This concludes the Gemini EVO unboxing. Be sure to watch our other Gemini EVO videos, laser walkthrough, and dashboard tour for more information. As always, read the user's manual thoroughly before using your Gemini EVO diode laser, and if you have any questions, please contact your territory area manager, customer service representative, or equipment support team for assistance.